believe this cat? Look at her. How did you get over there, April? How did you do that? How did you do that? Oh, now you're going to go too?
Jackson, come on.
I want to know how she got in there without knocking a bottle over. Oh, now she's going to lay down. Look at that. Oh, my God.
Hey, you don't want to leave that around.
Is she something else? April, how did you get in there? Oh, did you see what he just did? What Penny just did? He just shut the door. Penny, hey. He just went over there and shut the door. You guys are absolutely amazing. You know that? I really would like to know how she did that. April. She's still in there. Look at her. April, what are you doing?
You have something hot in